what is a zip code on Cash App? So basically on Cash App, your zip code is your address of your location address, right? That you can use for different purposes such as account verification and maybe your card information, because your zip code is also associated with your certain transactions, and location based services also you will need your zip code. To find your zip code, what you can do is you can simply open Cash App, make sure to log into your account. Tap on the Cash App profile from the very top right hand side of the screen, and then you'll come to account settings. From here you can go to this option that says personal, and once you go to this personal option, you will be able to scroll and then tap on the address option to be able to view your zip code. If you need to update your zip code though, however, you can do so by tapping on the edit address and entering the correct information. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.